Hi, and welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Guess what I finally got? My Hedgehog Hollow box. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemy. Let's see what's inside the Hedgehog Hollow box this month. So I've only sliced open the edge so that we could open the box. I haven't actually looked in it. My box took a very long time to come. I don't know where it's been. There was a bit of a delay, and according to the website for USPS, it's still in America somewhere. It's had to be chased up a bit. I did notice that there is actually a second shipping label on the bottom, so maybe there was an issue that way. But yeah, according to USPS, it's still in America somewhere. So I just took my shipping information out. Here is our discount codes, which I don't think are valid anymore. Maybe one of them went for a month, but I'm not sure. And our list of what is in here. Now I have got the fairy. I'm a bit disappointed that the box only just got here because it was my daughter's birthday yesterday, and this fairy looks like Tink, so she would have absolutely loved this. So I have the fairy, which makes me really excited, and our dies are nice and pretty pink. I have my first lot of proper hybrid inks. I have the oxides, but they're different to these. So you're supposed to be able to use them with watercolouring and with alcohol markers. So that's huge. For me, that is huge. So hopefully I'll be able to pick up the black reinker especially. I have the Mini Winnie LDRS set. Furry Fabulous. It's called Mini Winnie and Furry Fabulous. So we have some nice sentiments in there. And I got the clear embossing powder. I was hoping I'd get the white because that's actually, I have clear from here to eternity. I actually have bottles that they're about that high of the clear, but that's okay. Can never have too much clear. I have my Laffy Taffy. I have no idea how you say that. I have grape and strawberry. We have the papers, which we'll have a look at in a minute. We have these papers, which have raised dots on them, the black and the pink. And then we have just some plain yellow. Then we have some vellum. And oh, this is shimmery. How pretty. Piece of, it looks like basil, but it's, I'm not sure if the camera's picking. There we go, you can see the sheen. Got a nice sparkle to it. And we have our Nina Solar White. And we'll have a look at our papers. Okay, so there's two different collections in here. We have Sweet Pea. We have some flower circles, some daisy type looking flowers, some yellow spots, some clouds, some more daisy type flowers. We have pretty butterflies. I love butterflies. We have some pink and orange tone flowers. We have some stripes, some flowers on a pink background, a big bunch of flowers. I'm trying to get them so you can see them a bit clearer. Some more daisies in pinks and some pretty hearts. So they're going to be fun to cut out, and they are a nice heavyweight cardstock paper, so that's good, and they're single-sided. So we have some flowers, some itty bitty hearts in circles, plaid in pink, more butterflies, a nice background with some stitching type details, flowers, more butterflies, some button flowers, patchwork, some bunches of flowers, some stripes, and some plaid. Smaller plaid with a few more colours in it. So that is our box this month. I can't wait to make some projects with it. A little bit sad that it took so long, but what can you do? You just gotta wait for the postal services to get their act together so you can get your packages. And it's an awesome box. I mean, I just love these dies. The cost of the box here is what it would cost me to probably buy this die on its own because the prices are so expensive. So for me, this is a really good value box. And I'm probably, if there's any left, going to go on the website and buy the heart one as well because I've really liked that too. What did you like in the box? What do you want to play with? What's your favourite thing? I'm so excited by these inks because watercolour and Copic marker friendly, so that is awesome. Well, alcohol marker friendly, so any brand. As you know, I use Pro markers and Copics, so this is going to be awesome. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you liked, if there's anything you didn't like, if there's any suggestions on what I could make. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.